Good morning students. Today we are going to learn the doodling patterns. Doodling pattern just like a geometrical designs. It is the design should be repeated in the whole object whatever you are filling it. Fine. The line should we have to do by the some curves, lines, some patches like that, some designs like that, some geometrical figure like that. There. Now we will start that. First, these are the blocks. You have to divide your paper in the some blocks. This is a curves line. You have to fill the full object by this curve line. The space should be the line, it should be equal, not more than, not less than. Try to do that equally. Fill the full block by the same patterns, and now we will start the filling. One block you have to fill, to just next one leave it. One fill it, next one leave it. Number second one, next one fill it, leave it, fill it, leave it, fill it, leave it, like that. So, and you have to fill this full pictures in this format. This is the second one part. Now we have here I already have prepared some checks and how to draw these lines. This is a blocks. In the first block, repeated line 2 times, and the last one part we have to fill it. Same it. First line, second line, and last one part we have to fill it like that. First line, second line, and last part we have to fill it. First line, second line, last part we have to fill it. Same process we have to fill in the this line, this line, this line, and the full block you have to fill by the same patterns. This is the third one patterns. This is the curve one parts, and we have to draw the full parts with the curves. The first line you have to do properly, and the second one little far by this second. No need to touch by this, and just like that. And try to make each and every one curves on the previous one curve. Don't do hurry, do it properly. This doodly pattern mostly we are using in the fish body, and this is, and here also this is the first one fill, second one we will leave it, third one fill it. Like that. Third one fill it, fourth one leave it, fifth one fill it, sixth one leave it, seventh one fill it. So alternative we have to fill it. One fill it, second leave it, next one fill it. This is the fourth pattern of the doodling patterns. Simply nothing we have to do. Later then we have to divide this block in the 4 parts or 3 parts. It is your comfortable. Fine, I am dividing in the 4 points, and now I will start. Just stop it. Like that. Same part there. I am just repeating one more by time. Like that. So full parts you have to fill by this same patterns. Whatever pattern you are choosing, try to complete the full blocks by fill it by the same pattern. Now enjoy this doodling patterns, and try the different texture of your mind also. It is not compulsory the same textures you have to use. You can choose as different textures according your imagination wise also. Now enjoy your day and thank you.